all the leaves are brown and the sky is gray. I went for a walk on a winter's day, but now it's nice and springy, so. My name is Dori-Anne Zaluski, but everyone calls me Dory. I am a liberal arts student. I wanted to better myself, really. You know, expand my knowledge and not be so small in my thinking. I wanted to be more worldly. I had a brain tumor when I was 13, had 2 surgeries and radiation. Coming to the university has really helped me with problem solving. I'm a modified student. What would take a normal student 2 years to complete has taken me 4.5. I think making the Dean's List is my most prideful accomplishment. That I, buckled down and studied and gave it 100%. The teachers here are fantastic and they'll bend over backwards to support me and every other student here. They'll stop and talk to you in the hall, even if they're busy and are trying to get to a meeting on time. They'll check in and see if you're doing okay. That level of care, you don't have to worry about anything here.